Imagine this. What if you could set up a system to make money for you, even while you're sleeping? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, generating passive income through stock trading is now more accessible than ever. But it's not as simple as pushing a button. There are strategies, tools, and insights that can help maximize your profits, and today, we're breaking it all down. So stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal exactly how you can use AI to create a consistent passive income stream in stock trading. Welcome back to TechMoneyAI, where we explore the powerful world of AI in finance. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos that can help you invest better with the power of AI. Alright, let's dive into the world of AI-powered passive income. Let's start with the basics. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort. Unlike active income, where you're trading time for money, passive income allows you to make money without constant involvement. In the context of stock trading, passive income can be achieved through strategies like dividend investing, long-term growth stocks, or automated trading. But how does AI fit into this? AI helps simplify stock trading and maximize efficiency by analyzing huge amounts of data, recognizing trends, and even making trades on your behalf. Essentially, AI can manage your investments, allowing you to sit back and let the algorithms work for you. So why use AI for generating passive income? AI offers several powerful advantages. Data-driven decisions. AI makes decisions based on data, not emotions. This means it's less likely to make impulsive or risky trades. Speed and efficiency. AI can analyze data and execute trades far faster than any human. This can be critical in volatile markets. 24/7 monitoring. Markets move quickly, and opportunities can come and go in seconds. AI can monitor and react instantly, even when you're offline. Backtesting. AI can backtest strategies by running them against historical data, so you can see how well they might have performed in the past. This helps fine-tune strategies for better results. By using AI, you can get these benefits with minimal effort, which is why it's such a powerful tool for creating a passive income stream. Now let's look at some of the top AI-powered tools that can help you build passive income through stock trading. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to manage diversified portfolios based on your risk level. They automatically rebalance your portfolio and reinvest dividends, so your investments grow over time without any effort from you. Automated trading platforms. Platforms like Trade Ideas and Interactive Brokers use AI-driven algorithms to analyze the market and execute trades. They offer a range of options from hands-off trading to highly customizable strategies. Trade Ideas, for example, uses AI to scan thousands of stocks in real time to find the best opportunities. Dividend trackers with AI assistance. Certain apps like Simply WallSync can analyze dividend stocks, helping you create a passive income strategy focused on reliable, income-generating assets. These tools use AI to score companies based on stability and growth, allowing you to build a portfolio focused on steady income. These tools can help you set up an automated passive income strategy in stock trading tailored to your needs. One of the biggest advantages of AI is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data. AI can look at historical data, real-time market trends, and even global news to make smart, data-driven decisions. Let's break down how it works. Pattern recognition. AI algorithms are designed to identify patterns in stock price movements and market trends. These patterns can indicate potential buying or selling opportunities. Sentiment analysis. Some AI tools analyze social media and news to gauge public sentiment about a company or sector. This can impact stock prices, and AI can pick up on these signals faster than humans. Backtesting and predictive analysis. AI can backtest strategies by applying them to past data. This helps refine your trading approach and increase the chances of success for future trades. By combining these techniques, AI can help optimize your stock trading strategy, focusing on the best opportunities for generating consistent passive income. Now let's go through a step-by-step guide to setting up your own AI-powered passive income strategy. Follow along and you'll see how easy it can be. Step 1. Define your goals. Determine how much passive income you want to generate and your timeline. Having clear goals will help tailor your strategy. Step 2. Choose your AI tool. Pick an AI tool that suits your needs. If you're new to trading, a robo-advisor like Betterment is great for simplicity. If you want more control, Trade Ideas might be a better fit. Step 3. Fund your account. Start by funding your account. Many platforms let you begin with a small investment, so don't feel pressured to start big. Consistency is more important. Step 4. Set your risk tolerance and preferences. Define how much risk you're comfortable with and let the AI know. Most tools will adjust the strategy to match your comfort level. Step 5. Activate automatic rebalancing. This feature will automatically adjust your portfolio as market conditions change, keeping your investments balanced without needing constant oversight. As with any investment strategy, there are a few common mistakes to avoid when using AI to generate passive income. Ignoring fees. Some AI tools charge management fees. Be aware of these costs as they can impact your overall returns. Overreacting to market fluctuations. Don't panic sell during market dips. AI is designed to help you stay consistent, so let it work without intervening, not monitoring at all. While AI does the heavy lifting, check in on your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to TechMoneyAI. We bring you the latest tips on how to invest better with the power of AI, from passive income strategies to advanced trading tips. Alright, here are a few advanced tips to take your AI-powered passive income strategy to the next level. Reinvest profits. Set up your account to reinvest any profits. This can accelerate growth over time. Diversify across assets. AI can help you diversify into different asset classes, stocks, bonds, and even commodities. A diversified portfolio can be more resilient. Take advantage of tax loss harvesting. Some platforms like Wealthfront offer tax loss harvesting, which can save you money by offsetting gains with losses. So there you have it.